this oil is so amazing. Believe me guys, this oil, when you are making your whitening products or your whitening cream, this oil is a very good whitening activator. You can use or you add into your cream to to activate the whitening effect of your cream. And also it's also a treatment oil. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time of stopping by, thank you so much. God bless you. And if you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. You guys have been so amazing. And if it's your first time of coming across my channel or seeing my face, hi, my name is Vivian Arrows, the founder of Living Organic Skincare. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you this wonderful oil. Like, you guys know how to do it in this channel, okay? But before I go into today's business, I'm going to be sharing something good news for you guys. You know, something good with you guys. Guess what? Our channel have been monetized. Yes, our channel have been monetized. Yes, that was last 2 weeks. Our channel last week. Yes, our channel was monetized. I'm so happy. Like, I'm so happy. I'm so excited. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to say. I don't know the words I will use to appreciate you guys, because without you guys, I won't be able to achieve that. Okay, without you guys, I wouldn't achieve this. Okay, I'm so grateful now. I'm so grateful to you guys, and I'm so grateful to God. God has been so amazing to my life. Like, and thank you to you all, that you all are my backbone in this channel. You are my family here. I thank you for all your support, your courage, but because this has really given me more courage to do more. Like, seriously, but I thank you guys for all your support, because without you guys, I won't get here. You know, I will sit like, yeah, talking blah blah blah. If I'm talking blah blah blah, nobody's watching me. That means I'm talking to myself. So I'm so grateful to you. Oh, I can't really thank you guys enough. I can't thank you enough. Seriously, you have been so amazing, so supportive, so encouraging. Like, this is just my 7 months here on YouTube. Yes, my 7 months on YouTube, and I have gotten a lot of family, like a lot of friends, loved ones. Like, the love has been so amazing, and I can't thank you guys a lot. And I really want to use this medium to appreciate Lady Pam Pam. Like, that lady have been so amazing. Like, she's my YouTube sister. That in fact she's so amazing. She also have a channel here on YouTube. You can as well help and check out her channel. She got a very good content. She does correct product reviews. Okay, so get there, you will still learn 1 or 2 things. Okay, I will leave her name in the description bar, but you can as well check her channel out. Okay, she's a very lovely person, very amazing person, and I'm so happy. I don't know what to say again. I'm so happy. Guys, hey guys, you guys know that I'm so happy. Yes guys, so we have clocked our 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch hour. Officially, our channel has been monetized. Our channel, not only my channel, it's our channel. Our channel has been monetized. Thank God, and I thank you guys. Like, you all are so amazing. I can't really thank you guys enough. Seriously, I can't thank you enough, because you have been so amazing, so supportive, so encouraging. I'm really grateful to God and to you guys. Okay, I'm so grateful, and believe me, I'm not going to lie to you guys that, you know, we keep on dropping hot recipe in this channel, guys. Yes, I've not been feeling fine for the past few days now, but I thank God for the strength that I say I'll make this video. I need to thank my lovely ones. I need to thank my family. I need to tell you guys that we have been monetized. Okay, so guys, you guys need to support your sister the more now. You need to watch my ad. That is the way you can as well support me, by watching my adverts. okay, by watching my adverts. And please like my videos, it helps a whole lot. It helps YouTube to suggest my video to more, like it helps my video to go more viral. Okay, I know you are just you all are just wonderful family. I know guys that you are just there for me. I trust you all for that. Okay, I trust you all for that. No, thank you so much, thank you so much, thank you so much, thank you so much. I wish I can see all of you like this and start thanking you guys and giving you kiss. Yeah, what am I going to give out? I have this hot recipe to share with you guys. This training that I don't even, I've never trained anybody on this recipe, so I'm going to be giving that recipe out in a very small amount of money. Okay, but guys, believe me, this training works. Like this training is is a recipe class. Okay, I'm giving it out for those of my subscribers who always tell me that to start skincare business is not easy, the money is much, this that. My sisters, believe me guys, this training I'm going to be sharing with you guys. If you have the money to do this training, I will encourage you to do it, because your startup capital, no matter how little your startup capital is, you will be able to start up after this training. If you are this kind of person, you are looking out for like you want to start producing your own skincare products, and you don't have, even if you have as little as 50,000, with the class I'm going to be teaching you guys, you're going to start as little as 100,000. You will start. Okay, I will teach you how you can start as little as. Then if you want to start in a bigger way, fine and good, you can as well start. I want to share this, I want to give you guys this like this recipe. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a very strong whitening lotion, a very strong whitening soap, a very good whitening scrub, very strong whitening face cream, like face cream that gives your face this flawless glow. I'm not joking, like seriously, I just bring out my heart to give you guys this thing. Then I'm going to share with you this wonderful face soap that those people will sell for you guys. You know the soap. I'm going to be revealing to you a very good face soap that you can as well package with your product and sell to your customers. Believe me guys, I'm not joking, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make a very good talking oil you can use even if you don't want to use a cream. You can make it for your customers and package it with soap and sell it for them. Believe me, you will. Oh god, this training and all this training I'm going to be sharing with you guys. The mood of the training is video. I'm going to make everything video. I'm not going to be like, it's going to be a very good and detailed video. Okay, 99% of the training is video. The scrub making is video, the lotion making is video, the soap making is video, the face cream is video. Then I'll give you guys a tips, okay, on 3 different types of face cream. If you want to have this like milk undertone, the face cream, the way you promise it. If you want to have like a yellow undertone, like gold undertone, I will tell you how you can promise it. And if you want to have this butterish undertone, like this face like butter, or face cream that will also help you to treat sunburn and dark spots, I will also give you that tips on how you can promise and get achieve that result. 3 in 1. So I'm going to be sharing with you this 3-in-1 pattern of making your face cream. Okay, so guys, believe me, this class will really worth it. I know that they will ask me what is the price of this class. Yes guys, the main price of this class, if I should give this class, if I should put a price on this class, I would charge it 50,000, because I know the recipe, I know the formula I'm giving you guys. This formula, you are not getting it anywhere. You can't get it anywhere else. This is my formula, this is what I work with, so you can't get it anywhere else. Okay, so I'm going to be sharing with you guys with my whole heart. This is just like I'm appreciating you all. I'm reciprocating your love that you have given to me in this channel. I'm going to be sharing with you guys all this recipe just for 15,000 naira. 15,000 naira, and all the recipe is coming with video. 99% of the recipe class is coming on video. Okay, video, just video, guys. And believe me, this is just like I'm showing you guys how to, like, the set: lotion, body cream, body scrub, face cream, and I'm going to review to you guys this wonderful whitening face soap you can package and sell with your products, guys. Believe me, I'm not joking. I'm not joking at all. I'm not joking. I've not ever come here to talk about this like this before. I just want to use this like But guys, after April, this class go back to 20,000 naira. This recipe class in particular goes back to 20,000. But from now till April and 15,000 for this class. Okay, so guys, this class, believe me guys, it's worth giving a try. If you are this kind of person, you have been making product for your client and they keep on complaining, they keep on giving you excuses why they don't want to use your product again, or they keep on telling you that your product is not working, or you keep on getting that I'm experiencing knuckles using your products, guys, you will want to try out this class, because the lotion I'm going to be teaching you how to make is a very whitening lotion that will not give you knuckle. Even if your customer have knuckle, it's going to help you fading that knuckles away. Like, I'm not joking for this, seriously. And this class is not going to be a time wasted at all. Believe me guys, like I said before, this formula is not what you get. You can never get this recipe elsewhere. This is not a copy and paste. This formula is formula I work with, and you'll be happy that you joined this class. You will be happy because I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make your product, your packaging, many other things, and it's going to be an interactive class. It's going to be very, very interactive. Even when I don't train you people, you call me and I answer you. Talk more of when you paid me for something. Believe me guys, you will love it. Okay, you will love it so well. Okay, and I'm going to be giving you guys 2 weeks mentorship. Okay, 2 weeks mentor. Just call me and ask me anything pertaining the class, with your production, any difficulty you are facing. Just call me and I'm going to attend to it. Even when you are producing it, you can call me, I will assist you. Okay, when you are making it or you are producing it, call me, I will assist you. Okay, I will assist you in making it for you to get that perfect result. Like, seriously, I'm for real for this. Okay, and like I told you guys, the mood of the training is video. 99% of the training is video, and we are going to start this training on the 30th of April. I have to shift it to the last of the April, so I will not hear story. 15,000 from now to the end of this class is 15,000, but when we enter May, sorry, the class go back to 20,000. Okay, so this is to appreciate you guys, and believe me, if you have been training and you are not working with your training, you are not working with all those training that you are doing, just don't worry, just do this training. After this class, I pray God will provide money for each and every one of us. After this class, you are going to start your own production, and you will sell it. Believe me, it's not going to be a time wasted. So guys, without further ado, let's just dive straight into today's business. Okay, so guys, the oil I'm talking about, okay, is this oil. I don't know if you guys have seen this oil. Okay, this is perfect skin oil, gluta kojic. All right, anti-touch extra force. This oil is so amazing. Like, this oil is very good with vitamin E and C, strong bleaching treatment. Okay, with fruit extract, with fruit acid. Look at it here. I don't know if you're seeing it here. This oil is so amazing. Like the previous oil I made in this channel the other day, some people are asking me if they can use that oil, like if they can use it on their cream. Okay, I said that oil is very active for cream. Well, if you wish to use it, depending on your skin type, you can use it. It's at your own risk. Okay, but I normally use it to activate soap. Okay, I use it to activate soap. So what I use, or what I use, the way I use it is what I will share to you guys. Okay, I can't tell you guys what I don't use, so that you will not go and spoil your skin. No, now we are trying to package our skin. You will not come and spoil your skin. If you use it on your cream, if it works well on you, fine and good. That is the Carovet review I made the other in my previous video. So this, somebody was asking me the oil they can incorporate in their cream. All right, this oil is very good. You can use this oil in your cream to activate the whitening effect of your cream, and it's also a treatment oil. Okay, this oil is very lovely. It contains glutathione and it contains AHA, allantoin. It contains kojic acid. So this oil is so lovely. Okay, this oil is so lovely. Okay, let me read what the manufacturer wrote that this oil does in the skin. Okay, they said the perfect skin beauty oil is specially designed for fast and effective action. Thanks to its active ingredients, it instantly targets and reduces brown spots and unifies the complexion to restore the skin natural radiance. Your skin is clear, fresh and smooth. Perfect. Smooth and it's perfect. That is what the manufacturer wrote. Okay, here you see. So the oil is so lovely. It's very good. I use it. Okay, let me show you guys. I use this oil, but when you get in this oil, like I always say in my channel, that you, and it's oil, it glows the, if you see, it glows the skin. The whole of this, I've used this. I use this. Look at it. You can see. All right, I use this. This is how it comes. Okay, this is the one I used last. This is the one I opened last. Yes, this oil is so amazing. You can incorporate, and it glows the skin. You can add it to your cream. Any of your cream, you can promise your normal cream that you are promising. You can just promise and then add this oil to the cream. Okay, and believe me, it comes out very lovely, and the bottle is big. It's big. At least you, if you are using it for your personal self, that you are not using it for production, okay, you can as well use this oil at least 4 to 5 times, depending on the size of the cream you are promising, because the bottle is big. So you can give this oil a try. Look at it. Let me bring it closer. Don't know if you are seeing this. You can screenshot this. Okay, let me bring the pack. Well, please, when you are getting this oil, try to buy the original one of this product. Okay, buy the original one of it. The oil is very good, so you can try this oil out, and believe me, you will love it. You will love it. Okay, so I think I'm tired. I'm strong. I've talked so much. I don't feel like leaving you guys, like, seriously, but I have to go for now. So if you're in this channel, guys, if you have used this oil, you can as well drop your comments in the comment section. Let us know the way this oil works. This oil whitens the skin. Believe me, guys, it's not even a joke. This is a whitening activator. You can use this to activate the whitening effect of your cream. Like, I'm not joking. If you see it there, you will know. It contains gluta and kojic. But it's also anti-attach extra fruit. It contains vitamin C and E. Also contains fruit acid. Believe me, when I say this oil is active, I'm not joking. This is very strong whitening cream oil. It contains both carrot, aloe vera. It's also a treatment oil. Okay, it's a very good treatment oil that you can use in your cream, and it's also take off all these like brown skin. All these people that have, you see, their skin will be like, it will not be uniform now. It will be brownish, you know, all those like brown spots. It clears it blends your skin. It just give you like very clean and blend skin. Okay, so this is it. You can add this to your cream promising formulation. You can just incorporate this. This is very good and it's lovely. Yes, this is basically for this video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please like my video. Please like my video, watch my ad. That is the way you can help your sister, support me by watching my ad. Okay, thank you guys. I love you guys, and see you guys in my next video.